Returns to August tomorrow, and the state budget standoff drags into its second month.
Well, is there an end in sight? Who's likely to get hurt the longer this impasse lasts? Dennis Owens joins us now live with more. Dennis.
Well, ladies, House Democrats kicked off what they're calling the Save Our Schools tour in Philadelphia this afternoon. Education is set to get lots of money if and when a budget gets done. But a small slice of education, vouchers, continues to be the biggest stumbling block.
In terms of the brick and mortar schools that are supposed to be the temples of education here in our Commonwealth.
House Democratic leadership went back to school, shining a light on crumbling buildings, need for more education money, and a still undone state budget. They argue both chambers passed it. The Senate just needs to sign it.
And I think that the longer that we wait for that simple act to happen, the worse it is for the people we serve in our district.
Money to public schools, universities, counties will stop if the standoff doesn't end.
I hesitate to even list it because it really would be an absolutely terrible situation the longer it goes.
Instead of focusing on saving our schools, House Democrats should join us in trying to save our students.
Legislative Republicans point the finger at House Democrats for refusing to accept $100 million in school vouchers that is holding up an otherwise agreed to $45.5 billion budget.
Unfortunately, House Democrats are leading the charge in a total war on school choice.
But Senate Pro Tem Kim Ward signaled the war will not drag on, and she'll sign off sometime in August.
We're not going to leave Pennsylvanians hanging.
Until then, Democrats will blame her for the standoff, saying she alone can end it, and she's choosing not to. Of course, Senate Republicans point the finger right back and say, well, if House Democrats would allow those vouchers, or Governor Shapiro would promise not to blue line veto those vouchers, the impasse would be over today. Right now, there's more finger pointing in Harrisburg than budget signing. Valerie?